In this video, I'll show you how to delete old Facebook posts. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guidance and contents like this. Now head over to your Facebook account, right? And I'm going to walk you through now how you can delete your old Facebook post. Let's say if you have posted a few months ago or a few years back and you love to delete it, I'm going to walk you through how you can do that. Head over to your profile, right? Scroll down. If we scroll down, you can see I have an old post that's I posted on 5th November 2024. That should be like 5 months ago, right? So if you love to delete this old post, what we're gonna do right now, just okay, I think there are how many old posts here? One, two, right? Just click on this, right? Once I've clicked on it, it's gonna delete it. Then you can also click on this, you'd go down, click on this as well. So I'm not going to delete it because I want to just use this as a reference, right, as regards to this my video. So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next one.